Hey YouTube, I'm wanting to make this video about a homeopathic remedy for weight loss. It's called the HCG diet, and it's either a spray or an injection of a hormone found in women when they're pregnant. Generally not found outside the body after that, any other time except when they're pregnant. Quite a few videos have testimonies about it on YouTube, but how it helped women, blah 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 blah. The problem is, very often you don't hear about the dangers involved in taking this stuff. You see, it's been approved in America by the FDA as a fertility drug. It's not approved by anything else, and indeed it's highly illegal in America to label it as a weight loss drug, according to the FDA. Anyway, here's the thing. The HCG diet is very bad for you. Okay? What it is it forces you to cut down on how much you eat, and generally the injections will make you eat about 500 calories a day. Now there's major problems with that because you're starving yourself. If you're a woman, you need about 1800 to 2400 calories a day, and men would be about 2 to 3000 per day. If you're trying to lose weight, you cut down and exercise at the same time. That's the best way. Don't ever diet. You're go for one of these fad diets. You're a fucking idiot. If you want to lose weight, go to a doctor and ask them to help you. They'll pass you on to a nutritionist, or they'll talk it through with you themselves. This homeopathic shit, it doesn't work. No, the HCG drug does, but I'll get to the side effects of that. Most homeopathic medicine is, well, water for the most part, or bullshit. Some are very dangerous because they'll give you extremely concentrated versions of bleach or some other chemical that they've just decided. I mean, in the UK you don't even need a license to fucking sell the stuff. Homeopathic shit. You don't need a medical degree or anything like that. I could start bottling bottles of water, claim it's homeopathic medicine, flavour it with sugar. Until someone dies, there's nothing wrong. So, this HCG stuff roughly has you losing weight about the rate of £1 a day, or maybe more. But here's the serious health risks. Taking the HCG hormone itself can cause a variety of complications that can read like the fine print in a prescription disclaimer. Users have reported incidences of headaches, blood clots, restlessness, leg cramps, constipation, temporary hair thinning, depression, male breast enlargement. Also, you may feel like you're pregnant if you're a woman, swelling breast tenderness and water retention. HCG can also have potentially life-threatening condition called ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome, or OHSS, in which your ovaries are overstimulated by hormones that can swell and leak fluid into the abdomen. This can cause abdominal pain and weight gain, but can lead to blood clots, kidney failure, fluid build up in the abdomen or chest, and electrolyte imbalances. Now, that's the possible complications from the hormone. There's other stuff as well. There's a side effect of a severely reduced calorie diet. For a start, if you're cutting yourself down to 500 calories a day, you're not getting what you need. Your body is not getting anywhere near what you need. You're more likely not going to have anything at all, anywhere near the nutritional values that you get from eating normally. You're not going to meet any daily nutritional needs. You can also experience side effects such as fatigue, nausea, constipation and diarrhea from starvation. Your hair might start falling out, scurvy, or even worse, you may develop gallstones, which would require surgery to correct. Another problem with severity with this diet is that once you go off them and start eating a regular amount of calories, you're bound to regain some of the weight you lost. There was also a report in America to the FDA of one person who developed a pulmonary embolism from taking this stuff. That's a blood clot in the lung. It's not a good thing. There are those who say that the hormone HCg is natural and clearly safe for pregnant women and the fetuses they carry, and the dieters who see small doses of HCg and is found under normal conditions in pregnant women. However, it is not healthy at all. I mean, do you really want to risk getting blood clots? Do you really want to risk losing your hair? Do you really want to risk depression just so you can look thinner? This is a problem with homeopathic medicine. It doesn't work. And I'm going to include the clip. Oh wait, can I include the clip? Maybe if I comment on it I can get away with it. So I'm going to include the clip from David not Mitchell and Webb Luke. It's funny. It's their homeopathic A&E sketch, and it's fairly accurate about homeopathic shit, and I'll maybe comment on it later on, so it's covered by the Fair Use Act. Okay. Anyway, people, stay away from homeopathic medicine. There is no evidence whatsoever that it works. Shit like crystals, there's no scientific evidence behind that. Shit like magnets, that's a whole heap of shit. Yeah, just don't go near it, folks. It's the worst thing you could possibly do.
What have we got?
RTA, broken arm, suspected internal injuries, severe contusions to the head.
Okay, these move fast. Premier solution of Arnica montana. Stat.
Strength?
1 part in a million.
Are you sure? It looks serious.
You're right. We need to strengthen the dose. 1 part in 10 million.
On it, Doctor.
Here you've got a tricky one.
Nothing we can't handle. Get me some wolfsbane, also known as monk's hood, in here. And a whole tray of flower remedies.
Whoa, your chakras are fading. You need some crystals.
Nurse, fetch me some purple tinted quartz. Damn it, you're right. Make that aquamarine quartz.
Good call.
Okay, he's stabilizing. Now, does anybody know what sort of car hit him?
The Blue Ford Mondeo, apparently.
Right, get me a bit of Blue Ford Mondeo, put it in water, shake it, dilute it, shake it again, dilute it again, do some more shaking, dilute it some more, and then put 3 drops on his tongue. If that doesn't cure him, I don't know what will.
You should have a look at this, Simon.
What is it?
Don't think this poor chap's got long to live.
Why not?
His lifeline, very short. But his horoscope's not too clever either. Sagittarius. Brace yourself for a surprise. Things are about to change for you.
Certainly are, unless... Wait.
What?
We could try drawing a bit more lifeline on with biro.
It'll never work.
You got a better idea? Let's see what happens. Time of death, 3:34. Ish.
Tough day, eh?
I just can't stand losing them.
It happens.
I don't know, sometimes I think a trace solution of deadly nightshade or a statistically negligible quantity of arsenic just isn't enough.
That's crazy talk, Simon. Okay, so you kill the odd patient with cancer or heart disease, or bronchitis, flu, chickenpox, or measles. But when someone comes in with a vague sense of unease, or a touch of the nerves, or even just more money than sense, you'll be there for them. Bottle of basically just water in one hand, and a huge invoice in the other.
I suppose you're right.
Now, another drink.
I need one.
Excuse me. 2 more homeopathic lagers, please.
Whoa, that's strong stuff.
That was a good sketch. That should cover it. That was covered in comment. That should hopefully cover it as fair use.